13 cheap protein-rich foods to burn belly fat. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most affordable and nutrient-dense protein sources. With 6 grams of protein per egg, they boost metabolism and keep hunger at bay. Number 2. Greek yogurt, packed with 15 to 20 grams of protein per serving. Unsweetened Greek yogurt supports digestion and helps burn stubborn fat. Choose full-fat varieties for maximum benefits. Number 3. Canned tuna. With 25 grams of protein per can, canned tuna is a budget-friendly powerhouse. Plus, its omega-3s help reduce belly fat and inflammation. Number 4. Cottage cheese. A half cup of cottage cheese delivers 14 grams of protein. It's a low-calorie, high-CD food that fits easily into any fat loss plan. Number 5. Chicken breast. A classic fat-burning food. With 26 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, chicken breast is lean, filling, and effective for reducing belly fat. Number 6. Turkey. Incorporating turkey into your diet can significantly boost your protein intake. Turkey provides about 25 grams of protein per 3 ounces of cooked meat. It's low in saturated fat, making it ideal for reducing belly fat. Plus, the protein in turkey requires more energy to digest, helping to burn more calories. Number 7. Black beans. At 15 grams of protein per cup, black beans provide a powerful combination of fiber and protein, which helps curb hunger and stabilize blood sugar. Number 8. Peanut butter. 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter offer 8 grams of protein. It's a satisfying, protein-packed option, but remember, moderation is key. Number 9. Oats. Surprisingly, oats deliver 11 grams of protein per cup. Their slow-digesting fiber helps control hunger and keeps your energy steady throughout the day. Number 10. Tofu. Tofu is a versatile, plant-based protein with 10 grams per half cup. It's an excellent, affordable option to add to stir-fries or salads. Number 11. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Almonds, for example, offer 6 grams of protein per ounce. They help control hunger, especially around the abdominal area. They're also rich in antioxidants and fiber, promoting better digestion and reducing inflammation. Number 12. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon are loaded with protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon provides around 22 grams of protein per 3 ounces of cooked fish. Omega-3s help reduce visceral fat around your organs. Plus, they support heart health and improve insulin sensitivity, reducing inflammation. Number 13. Kale. Green leafy vegetables may not seem high in protein, but kale delivers more than you might expect. 1 cup of cooked kale provides about 3 grams of protein. It's low in calories and carbohydrates, making it perfect for trimming your waistline. Plus, kale is packed with vitamins and promotes satiety, helping you stay full longer. Remember, moderation is key. No single food will burn fat alone, but incorporating these high-protein options into a balanced diet can make all the difference. Please like, because it helps us a lot. Subscribe, and remember, eat well, love well, thrive.